Another video for you all. As you all can see, I am in the kitchen, got all my seasonings ready or whatnot. I got my pot ready on the stove, and this is all of my ingredients that I will be using. So all of my seasonings. I know it looks like a lot, but baby, we're making spaghetti. You know, you have to make sure the spaghetti is seasoned. And so I usually will use like my 3 cheese Prego sauce, but I don't have any 3 cheese. I ran out of that, and so I will be using my roasted garlic parmesan, as you all can see. And I will be using my fettuccine noodles, and girl got some little Hennessy while we cook. And I also got my onion over here. As you all can see, I have a bowl in the sink that I need to clean, so don't come for me saying your dishes ain't clean, baby. It's just a bowl and a spoon. And I got my bell peppers because I made spaghetti last week, and that spaghetti was like, that's my lightning. But that spaghetti that I made last week, you all, was like smacking. And so I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna make me some spaghetti this week. And this is like the other half of the meat that I had, and so it's unthawed. That's why you can see the blood and everything. But I hate seeing blood on meat. But okay, here's all the lightning right here that I'm looking for. Okay, so as you all can see, I'm going to get everything ready and prepped. And so I'm not sure if I'm gonna let you all see me cut my onions and bell peppers, but I guess I will go ahead and start on that. So okay, so as you all can see, I'm really using like a half of an onion, and I'm using a half of a yellow bell pepper and a red bell pepper. So if you all were just wondering. Okay, you guys, I know what you all are thinking, like, oh my gosh, you've added way too much seasoning. No, I did not, because if you know the people that do get it, you already know that whenever you're cooking meat, like ground beef or even like turkey meat, like you need season, like enough season to really get in there to cook and get through it. So please don't come to me saying you added too much seasoning. No, I did not. I've been cooking for a long time, and don't come for me. Like, this is just the perfect seasoning. Like, let me just show you all, like, jar of my Prego. This is traditional, but I did not use this one. I used the garlic parmesan because I was out of my 3 cheese. And so I used just 1 jar and half of the meat, as I told you all. And so I'm just gonna let my meat and the sauce and everything like simmer and cook and get all of those flavors in. So once the noodles and the breadsticks is served, everything will just completely come together. So I'm just going to be back once everything is ready. I'm going to lay it out and let you all see how everything turns out. Okay, so you guys, if you all didn't know, well, y'all do know, these are the best breadsticks ever. New York Bakery, the best, like the best. So I just got 3 breadsticks here that I'm gonna pop in the oven. I don't know if you all can hear or not, but my noodles are still cooking. I want them soft enough, not soggy, but I want them soft enough. And so my spaghetti and everything is pretty much finished. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. As you all can see, the spaghetti is looking gorgeous. Got the noodles and I dropped one of my breadsticks, so something always happening. I make his plate first because I always make his plate first before mine. So we're gonna make his plate first. And here's some noodles. I don't think he's that hungry, but if he's that hungry, he can come back with and get seconds. So take 1 juicy little scoop. Maybe some more. I don't want you all see me like making the plate. Like, so I finished making his plate. So this is his plate. Bon appetit. So we're gonna set his plate right here, and then we're gonna make up my plate. Washing, so don't come to me saying you need to wash your plate up. I just finished washing dishes before I make this video. So don't come to me saying you didn't wash your feet, you ain't clean that plate. I don't hurt. Plate presentation, y'all, like plate presentation. So I think that is enough for me. Like, so as you all can see, the food is looking delicious. Like, come on now, tell me y'all don't want me in y'all kitchen cooking. Like, come on, like, focus. So I have my camera too close to my face, so but tell me y'all, like, tell me, do y'all want me in y'all kitchen? Yes, no, maybe. Because your girl did her thing. And so now we're going to be drinking some pineapple juice. If y'all know about this pineapple Fanta, and then y'all know with the ice filled to the top, y'all can't go wrong. Y'all can't go wrong. So please comment down below if y'all want me in y'all kitchen. Just say that. Like, just say that. Babe, you ready for your plate? Guys, if you all like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, because you already made it this far, so you need to be subscribing. If y'all want somebody in the kitchen like me, put a thumbs up, because I know all y'all could use somebody like me in y'all kitchen. But I will see you all inside my next video. So until then, bye you guys.